And from this, the 26th day of January 1950, India, that is Bharat, shall be a sovereign, democratic republic in accordance with the provisions of the said Constitution.
India got independence on 15th August 1947. When India was declared as the constitutional monarchy, the nation did not have a permanent constitution. Therefore, on 28th August 1947, the drafting committee was established under the leadership of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. The constitution was adopted from 26th November 1949 but was brought into force from 26th January 1950. This is because on the same day, 20 years before, in 1930, the Indian National Congress declared Purna Swaraj, or complete independence of the country from foreign rule. Republic Day is meant to honor the date on which the country's Constituent Assembly adopted the Constitution specially framed for the nation. On 26th January 1950, the newly drafted Constitution of India came to be enforced by way of replacing the Government of India Act 1935. Since then, this day is celebrated as the Republic Day of India year on year as a national event. This event makes the proud founding of the Republic tradition of one of the largest democracies in the world, India.
We are all very proud of our national flag. In the national flag, the color saffron stands for sacrifice. The color green stands for fertility, growth, and prosperity. The color white stands for peace and truth. And the blue Dharma Chakra in the middle stands for hard work, and it stands for also the religious values that sustain our country. As we look at the national flag, we realize that our country is founded on the sacrifices of our freedom fighters and our soldiers. We realize also the contribution of our farmers towards nourishing this great country of 1.3 billion people. And above all, we know that every citizen contributes to the peace, to the growth of truth, to the prosperity of this country through their hard work and through their religious values, through their standing up for the truth. I wish you all a very happy Republic Day, a day to cherish our democracy, our constitution, a day to be proud to be an Indian, but especially it's a day to say that we will live by these values of sacrifice, of growth, and of peace and truth and hard work, which have made our country a great nation today. Happy Republic Day. Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka.
Into the heaven of freedom, my Father, let my country awake. This would be the best prayer to be said on this day as we celebrate the 72nd Republic Day. Dear parents, esteemed teachers, staff members, and my dear students, wish you all a very happy Republic Day. We celebrate the establishment of our Constitution of India on January 26, 1950. Republic is a supreme word that gives a great power to people as it is gained by the tireless efforts of our freedom fighters. My dear students, the perseverance, the dedication, and the commitment to your life will determine the future of India. Dear teachers, we hold a great responsibility in molding our students as responsible citizens. I thank you for choosing, loving, and committing yourself to this profession. Non-violence and truth are the two values that led to freedom of India. Today we can ask ourselves, can we imbibe these values in our day-to-day lives? Let us salute with honor and pay homage to our forefathers, our country's martyrs. May they be our inspiration to introspect ourselves, asking, what can I contribute to my country? As a citizen, as a teacher, as a parent and as a student. Dear friends, as we celebrate this 72nd Republic Day, let's all enjoy the freedom of choice, enjoy the freedom of independence. Thank you one and all. God bless you.